everyone, my name is Naomi Coleman with Copper Creek Builders. I wanted to bring something pretty exciting to your attention. We usually do not have any move-in ready homes here at Copper Creek. As you know, our structure is based off a lot of pre-solds, so often there's just not a lot of move-in ready inventory. Well, we do have one home. It's called the Daisy floor plan. It is a Villa Series floor plan, so it's brand new. It is move-in ready ASAP. So it sits right at the corner. It has a beautiful lot. It has a modern farmhouse interior. So you're kind of taking a look at the proximity here. This house is going to sell for $309. So if you're interested, if you want to take a walk through or you want to reserve it ASAP, give me a call or send me a text. My number is 970-985-8247. Again, that number is 970-985-8247. Also, before we go, I want to remind you, next week we will be doing an interior video of this home. So if you've seen the floor plan and you like it, but you're kind of curious what it looks like inside and maybe you don't have the opportunity to schedule a visit here with us, if you wait until next week, you can get a walkthrough of the whole floor plan to get a great feel for everything the Daisy has to offer. So we look forward to hearing from you soon, and have a great day.